What we've done is we put on a chemical that loosens the paint free from the brick. It's a biodegradable chemical. The next thing that we're doing is we're using our steam cleaner to remove the paint from the brick. That's 260-degree water. You can see the steam coming off of it. The really only time you want to do this process is on brick or on stone. You have to be careful with different types of limestone and terracotta and things. They take different chemicals. Obviously, you don't want to do this on a painted surface because it'll also take the paint of the painted surface off as well. So if you've got something that's painted, go ahead and just repaint it. Get the color code, bring a sample in to get it matched, and then repaint it. A gallon of paint costs about $20 for exterior latex. If it's oil, you know, you can then buy it in a quart or something too and get a cheaper price. Now when this dries, you're not going to see anything. And actually, if the building is dirty, you're not even going to see that we have been here and there's a clean spot or anything. It doesn't affect any of the carbon deposits. It just affects the paint. There you go, it's all gone.